We finally have some good news for health enthusiasts in Manipur. Chief Minister N Biren Singh on Wednesday inaugurated two open-air gyms. These gyms are located at Cheirao Ching in Thangmeiband and Marjing Polo Complex in Heingang. Singh later tweeted that youths need to focus on their health more than ever amid the challenge of drugs in Manipur.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EastMojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.